It's been a long, dark, cold winter, but spring is finally here. Did you recently purchase a home and now you're wondering what maintenance items you need to take care of this spring? Today, I've got 8 tips for you coming up right now. Hi and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Nati and I'm a realtor with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services right here in Southington, Connecticut. So today we're going to be talking about spring home maintenance tips. First off is check your roof. So after this winter, we had lots of snow pile up on the roof. And with that snow comes branches and things like that. So you definitely want to make sure to go out and check your roof for any loose or missing shingles and anything else that might just not look right. You might also check for nail pops. That's going to be when a nail is sticking up. It kind of looks like there's a little bubble in your shingle, and this can let water in. If you do find any issues with your roof, make sure to contact a licensed roofer to come out and take care of them. I know this seems like it could be a little costly, but it's definitely less expensive to take care of these smaller issues before they become big ones. Number 2 is check your attic. So along with checking your roof for any loose or missing shingles, you'll also want to check your attic for any signs of leaking or signs of critters that might have gotten in there over the winter. Again, if you do find any signs of possible leaks in your roof, make sure to contact a roofer to come out and address those now before they become a larger problem. If you happen to find any traces of critters such as droppings or nesting materials, make sure you contact a pest inspector to come out and take a further look. If there were any animals that got in there, you'll want to go around the perimeter of your attic where they might have gotten in from and make sure to get those areas sealed up so that next winter they don't come back. Number 3, check your driveway. So over the winter when we're going to be shoveling and plowing snow and using our snow blowers, the driveways can take quite a beating. Make sure that you go out and check for any new cracks or any chunks that might be missing out of your driveway. You can call someone to come out and repair and fill in these cracks now so that they don't expand or get worse over time. Number 4, service your air conditioning unit. So just like you did in the fall to service your heating unit, you'll want to service your air conditioning unit in the spring before it gets hot and before you start needing it. Servicing your air conditioning unit will keep it running in peak performance all summer long. Don't wait until the last minute when everybody else is calling for maintenance. Get ahead of the game and get it done before the temperatures get too warm. Number 5, check your foundation for any new cracks. So you'll want to go around the outside of your home and just check and see if there's any cracks that are starting to form in your foundation. This can happen from water getting in and expanding as it freezes and gets cold over the winter. If you do find cracks, you can call a contractor out to come in and fill these professionally. Number 6, wash your windows. So now that it's nice out, you want to open those windows up before you need to turn the air conditioning on. But make sure you get them washed and are nice and clean before you start opening them. Most screens will pop out of the window so that you can take them out and soak them separately. You can just soak your screen in some soapy water and rinse gently with a garden hose and then let air dry in the driveway. Make sure you don't power wash your windows as this can cause damage to the screen or possibly cause leaking. Number 7 is lawn cleanup. So after that winter, tree limbs have come down and possibly some chunks of your driveway were thrown into the lawn while the snow plows were coming to plow it. You want to go out and clean up your yard before you start mowing for the season. This is going to help protect your lawnmower blades and it's going to help protect you from items flying up. You'll want to do one big cleanup in the beginning of spring, but every time before you mow your lawn, it's a good idea to do a quick look through the yard to make sure there's nothing out there that could get caught in the lawnmower blades. And for our last spring cleaning tip, number 8 is to make sure you clean your decks and patios. Now the deck and the patio can be power washed and your patio will probably just need a good power washing unless there's any major cracks or anything going on with that. For your deck, check for any loose boards or nails sticking up. Most of those items you can probably handle on your own, but if you're not too handy, you could call a contractor. Spring is also a great time to get your deck stained and sealed for the summer season. If you like this video, you might also want to check out these videos. Make sure to give this one a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Make it a great home selling and buying day.